think $2,000 is my best offer. Let me think about it. There, this one or that one? That one over there. Betty lived in London. Victor was at the bank. I have read this book. We went to the theater yesterday. What is his name? Where does he live? When did you call him? Why are you late? Do you visit them often? Have you seen my kids? Are you ready to start? Could you give me a pen, please? Stop it. Sit down. Close your books. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. She bought bread, cheese, orange, and apples.